Hello, in this video I want to show you how to customize UI layout in Warframe iOS. To do this, first we'll need to click on those three lines in the top left corner of our screen. Then we can move to the options. Inside, select the touch options and there's customize UI layout. When you click on it, you'll be able to adjust different functions like a type from it's really small and it's hard to press on it, but there's a type for general games, Lunaro games, probably conclave, drifter. Okay, so no, there's no conclave, but that was three of the options, and we can change different layout sets. And now finally, to move around the icons, you can click and hold them like this and just move them around however you like. Now confirm and your layout should be changed. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.